And Leslie Coretti is here today with the Active Wellness Club, and today she's brought along a guest, Teresa Schickling,
yes,
from Laura's House. Now, we've had folks on from Laura's House before, but why don't you give us, I'm going to defer to Teresa here.
Yes.
Give us a recap of what Laura House does and how it helps women out.
Okay. We're a domestic violence agency. We have a 54-bed emergency shelter. We have a 24-bed transitional living, and we do a lot of legal services and education and therapy and counseling. And then we have our 2 resale stores, and 100% of the proceeds for the resale stores go back to supporting all those programs and services that Laura's House has.
And where are the retail stores located?
We have one resale store in Lake Forest in the Smart and Final Shopping Center.
Okay.
And the second one is in San Juan Capistrano in the Marshalls Shopping Center.
Okay, I know where both of those are.
Yeah.
So I understand that coming up, you are going to be having an event that's going to help them out.
Yes, yes, it's a benefit for Laura's House, and it is a swapping shopping day. So the residents here, we've done this is like our 6th or 7th year.
Yeah, I know you've done that.
We keep doing it
yes.
over because everyone loves the idea of helping Laura's House and at the same time having fun. You know, we call it therapy shopping.
Yes.
So what we're asking is people to donate any type of clothes in great condition. They can be too big or too small, or you could just simply not be wearing them. And if it's a perfect, beautiful vintage piece, that's great too. Costume jewelry, hats, handbags, you know, are all things that they need at the resale store. And they can just come in and bring it. We're going to have a nice little raffle. We have an Easter bunny that we're going to be giving away. And he is just so adorable. I know that when I was at the shop, people were trying to grab it away from me because it was so cute. Oh no, I want to buy it. No, I want to buy it. So we're going to give the Easter Bunny away that day as well, and we'll have light refreshments. It's $5 at the door, and they can bring as many items as they like. 20
and can
items.
they swap them there?
Yes, and
okay.
we swap.
Or just give them to you?
Yes,
give them to
yes,
Laura.
I am picking
okay.
up just donations as well. So if they need to have items picked up because they can't come on Saturday, I am picking up donations this week. My cell phone is 949-209-8846. You can leave a message if you don't catch me, and I'll be taking rounds and picking up donations. I already have several. Thank you for calling, and again, that's 209-8846. And
clothing, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Any specific?
And men's
okay.
or women's.
Okay. Now, do your stores cover, like if somebody have got a box of clothing for my grandkids or something, would you accept
yes.
that too for your stores?
Yes. At our stores, we also take furniture.
Okay.
We sell a lot of really high-end furniture, especially at our San Juan location.
Oh, wow.
So it's really nice.
Oh, that's nice to
The
know.
San Juan location is more of a boutique, and it's a large store, so we can carry more furniture and things there, although our Lake Forest store does also carry house goods, furniture.
Oh, that's good to know.
Just small amounts.
So
yes.
if people have some, obviously in good condition,
Yes.
other things as well they can bring.
Right. Yeah,
That's great.
we did say that they could bring small household items.
Okay.
You know, because we don't have the facilities to
Right.
transport everything.
Right.
However, if they have something great big, they can always let us know on that day, and we can, I don't know if they have pickups for that,
Yes,
for
we do.
large items.
Okay.
They
There
can
are
just arrange
pickups.
that through the store.
Yeah.
All right. Really
Yeah.
good. Now, what's your website? Is if someone just goes on and searches Laura's House,
Yes.
they'll find
They'll
it?
find it.
Yes, laurashouse.org.
Okay.
And on there, you can also then go to the resale store, and that'll take you to information about what we accept, what we don't accept, our hours, and it also talk a lot about our volunteers. We love our Laguna Woods volunteers. They're amazing, and they have a lot of fun when they're volunteering, and it benefits the programs and
And
services.
if someone needs to get a hold of you because they need your services, how would they go about that? Obviously online, you probably have a phone number there, but
Yes, we have a 24/7 hotline that they can call, and the best way is to go on the website and get the number for that.
okay.
Emergency line.
All right. Very good. So again, when is this going on?
This is Saturday, this Saturday.
This Saturday?
This Saturday at Clubhouse 7 from 10 to 2.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very good. Great organization.
Thank
and
you.
Nice to have you back again, and nice that you're helping out as you do, and maybe you'll win the bunny if she'll let it go. I don't know.
I know, it's so cute.
Don't bring it on the Trading Post Thursday because Ann will take it.
I know.
Sorry, Ann. Ann will take it though. Yes. All right. Good to see both of you. Thank you very much for coming on. And again, a great event happening this weekend. Take advantage of that. You can bring in some of your items you don't use anymore. And even if you don't want to swap them out, they'll go to an excellent cause, helping out Laura's house, and in turn helping out others. So very good. We'll be right back.